Surfing, it's definitely way more than a sport. It's a lifestyle, it's a connection with nature. Each wave is different, each wave is unpredictable.
First wave I rode, I remember it was just an amazing feeling, the feeling you're flying. I'm Leo, co-founder at Wyve.
I'm Sylvain, I'm co-founder and CEO of Wyve.
In surfing today, there's no science.
The core of the board is the fourth dimension of surfing.
So the main advantage of 3D printing is to have the exact same balls each time, so we are really using really accurate tools. We work based on the hexagon shape inspired from nature, combining the best weight to strength ratio. We are adapting this hexagonal pattern, so we're going to select where we want to be really stiff, where we want to be really strong on the impact. Precision to surfing is really important. There's tons of parameters to adapt on the shape to get a good board. We are really trying to find the magic formula of making the best board. We really need to understand how the rider's feeling is linked to real data, and that's how we get connected to Ben.
I'm Ben, I'm Associate Professor in the MAPM laboratory. Our work is to help Wyve fit the feeling of the pro rider with data. Before going to the big wide blue, the journey begins on land. The Hexagon technology helps us to see inside the board to be sure that we respect the shape. What we want to do with this digital twin is predict the future. If we know exactly what happens on the board, knows exactly what happens during the manufacturing, then we will be able to upgrade the board. If you bring 3D printed, high-tech metrology, high-tech software in a traditional world, it looks like this wonderful Wyve board.
We try to create a board that really connects the rider to the ocean.
With really accurate scientific approach. I think we are really writing this new story into the surfing world. When top riders say, well, it's the magic board, and we know how to duplicate that really precisely and have only magic board.
It's not just a new product. I see it as a new language, a new way of communication between the rider and the designer.
Leo and Sylvain bring fresh air to the surf industry. They respect the work of the shaper, but they bring new technology, new idea, new proposition for this surf industry.